Okay guys, on 8th of June 2022, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So you can see that we have a mature plant of Echinopsis oxygona, or you can say that it is simply called as Easter lily cactus. It is a round shaped cactus which is specially designed for very harsh climates by the nature. Like it can survive in such a situation where other cactus do not used to. Okay, now we have a lot of plantlets. You can see these round plantlets on the edges of the mature plant. Okay, we will try to propagate it from these plantlets. Okay, now you can use the scalpel or some sharp edge thing, but a simple forceps can work for you. Okay, now we just used to detach them, and okay, now they all are detached. Okay, so now we need to put them on the media. Okay, we just need to place them on the media, and their nervous system will see media, and then rooting will start. Okay, although they used to root in air as well, but it can take some time. Okay, now this is the third plantlet, this is the fourth, and they are very small. Okay, the small plantlets may have some lesser success rate in propagation, while some big mature plantlets have more success rate of propagation. Now we need to put them out like this. Okay, now we have nearly taken all the plantlets. One is with the major plant, but it is too small to be plucked. Okay, now we need to let them dry, okay, for about 2 to 3 days, so that they will callus over and their wound will be healed up. On 12th of June 2022, now we have taken the media in six disposable glasses, and media is nothing but a mixture of simple sand and garden soil. Both are in 50-50% composition. Why we are using sand? Because of the fact that sand provides a better drainage. Now we need to put the water so that our media will get soaked, and now you can see that the water just absorbed by the media. Okay, why it is so? Because if we use sand or some rocky material, then it will let the water to move out fastly via drainage hole. Drainage holes are the small holes under the pot through which we can move our excess water. Okay, because if the water used to sit inside the plant, it can cause some sort of fungal attack on the roots and on the lower part of the plants. So better is to just moist the media. Okay, if media is moist, it is good, but if it is soggy, it is very dangerous for succulents. Okay, now we are going to level the media. Level it out properly, because our plantlets are small and their lower sides must touch the media. Just take it with the forceps. Just press it a little bit so that it will touch the media properly. Now this is the second one. It is a bit small, and one more thing, that their growth rate is very slow. Okay, so we have to wait for at least 2 months. Okay, for at least 2 months, and then we will see that either, although the rooting used to take place after like after 1 week or 2 weeks, but the plant used to grow. Okay, it used to take a lot of time. Okay, now we will okay, now this temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and it is the month of June, so usually the rains are a bit less. Some rain is there, but it is not like okay, in July, August. So, okay, on 18th of August 2022, now you can see that I have just 3 plants, okay, that used to survive. I used to give them as gift to some of my friends, like 2 to 3 plants, and the rest are like decayed because I have placed them in full sun and they got destroyed, and then some are destroyed by huge rainfall, okay, because it is the month of monsoon, so usually a lot of raining is there. Now we can move it with the help of forceps, and now you can see the root ball. That root has clung with the media. Now the best thing to show you the root is to wash the roots with the water. Okay, I will wash it with the water. Okay, and you can see that the media is soft. If we just use what's called as the simple clay type garden soil, then it can be a bit hard, okay, but if we use sand, it will be soft, okay. So this is our simple, okay. Now this used to grow a bit more, okay, like after 2 months we can see a little bit of growth, okay, like this one. Okay, now let me wash it out, okay, for you, so that you can see the roots properly. Now the roots are washed properly and you can see these white roots. The root seems to be fibrous rather than one tape root. So because they are desert plant and they used to have roots which used to move on horizontal side, okay, rather than vertically downward. Okay, now I will wash it out as well, the third one. Okay, now you can see that with one of the pup or plantlet there is very less root, while with some it is very much root. Okay, I will just focus my cam on the plantlet so that you can see the roots. Now okay, I am zooming in as well, okay. So now you can see the roots properly. You can see the composition of media. It is simple thing, okay. It's not like a very special thing like coco peat or any other thing, or what's called as pumice or any expensive thing, okay. So now you can see the roots. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel.